when the German arrived in Belgium, invaded Belgium, like a lot of people, Jews and non-Jews, people left Belgium to go to south of France. And there my second brother was born in the 9th of July, 40. My parents were wondering, also like a lot of people, are we going to Spain? Try to go to Spain? Of course, we didn't know the situation in 40. Nobody exactly know what will happen with the Jews. So they came back in Brussels. And when the first Nazi law arrived in 41 and 42, when the first deportation began, all the family hid. Separately, my two brothers and my parents. And even my two brothers were not together during the war. So my second brother, when at the end of the war, he was 4 years old, but he didn't see his mother for 2 years. When she came back to take him back, I don't know this woman. Even he was in a Flemish family, he was speaking Dutch. No word, no. And it was the same with my older brother, who is Mamelution, really was Yiddish. He forgot everything of his Yiddish till now. Till now. When he speaks German and not Yiddish. It's very, very strange. But this is the problem, the story of a lot of hidden children during the war.